This video tutorial I will explain SSL, TLS and HTTPS. SSL is nothing but secure sockets layer and TLS is nothing but transport layer security. Imagine you want to send a secret message to your friend, but you are worried someone might intercept the message and read its content. SSL and TLS are like special envelopes that keep your message safe while the message travels from you to your friend. When you visit the website or send data online, your computer and the server which is hosting the website need a secure way to communicate. SSL and TLS provide that security by encrypting the data which you send to the server and receive from the server. Encryption is like putting your message in a secret code that only server can decode it. This way, even if someone tries to intercept the message, they won't be able to understand what is inside. HTTPS is nothing but HyperText Transfer Protocol Secure. Now imagine the websites are like houses on the internet. When you visit the house, you want to make sure it is safe and not a fake or a dangerous place. HTTPS is like a sign outside the house that tells you it is safe place to enter. When a website uses HTTPS, it means it has implemented SSL or TLS to secure the communication between your computer and the website server. And it also ensures the data you send to the server, like password, credit card information, or any personal details, are encrypted and protected from hackers. You can spot a website which is using HTTPS by looking the web address. It starts with HTTPS colon double slash instead of HTTP colon double slash. So in a nutshell, SSL and TLS are like secure envelopes that protect your data as the data travels over the internet. And HTTPS is the way to check if a website is safe and uses SSL or TLS to keep your information secure. Using HTTPS is essential for safeguarding your privacy and ensuring your online interactions are secure. And it is especially crucial when dealing with sensitive information like password, credit card information, or financial transactions. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.